To avoid complicated programming stuff, since we've just started, I'll use actions as well, because the concept of actions is more familiar to you. But the whole thing can be done in a single script. It would just be more complex. First of all, let's record an action that saves images. To make things easy, I will just use the save command from the file menu, and I will specify a folder where I will be saving all my images, and I will choose JPEG as my final image format, and I will save my images with the maximum quality, which is 12. So next time I run the action, it will save the respective image into the specified folder, and that's pretty much it. Now, what about the size? Let's say that I need all my images to be 1000 pixels wide and 1400 pixels high. Next thing I need to do is to write a script that will check the image size and alert me if it's not right. Believe me or not, but the most simple version of a script like this is just 4 lines long. I wrote it like this: if app.activedocument.width equal to 1000 and app.activedocument.height equal to 1400, do action save test, else alert, incorrect image size should be 1000 by 1400 pixels, and fail. If I wanted to interpret it from JavaScript language to human language, it would go like this. When the script is run, check if the image width is exactly 1000 pixels and height is 1400 pixels. If both height and width are as stated above, run the save action from the test set. Otherwise, alert the user by displaying an error message in a window called fail, which says incorrect image size should be 1000 by 1400 pixels. If I try to run this script on a random-sized image, it will give me an error and it will not run the save action until the size is right. The script that does it can be saved and loaded as a part of an action. So if I have to retouch a batch of images of a certain size, I will be sure that the images I saved are correct, otherwise they will just not appear in the saved folder. And if I'm not just a retoucher but a head of retouching department, and I have multiple retouchers, like 10 or 20 of them, it might be a great improvement of the process. Because instead of making everyone check their images for size or doing it myself, I can be pretty sure that all the images I get to check already have the right size. If, of course, all the retouchers use the respective script. This is just one example of how scripts can simplify the process of making catalog images.